How to securely prepare your computer for disposal covers a dozen options if you are throwing your computer away to rubbish, passing it on to a family member or friend, or donating it to a charity or recycling centre. This computer tutorial is best viewed on a large computer monitor, and that is to allow you to use a browser so you can copy a link from the description below this online video to a new tab in your browser to watch that video while pausing this master video. This tutorial shows you how to change PC name and registered owner, change Windows login password, delete all browsing history in Google Chrome and in Mozilla Firefox, how to destroy computer hard disk drive, and how to factory reset Vista PC. Also, how to factory reset Windows 7 computer, to get data off corrupted hard disk drive, to overwrite deleted data using CCleaner or using DOS, how to remove saved passwords, and how to uninstall programs. First of all, I'll deal with rubbish. This could be an old computer which is no good to anyone else, so you're just going to destroy it and get rid of it. But before you do that, you should make sure you've got all your important data off the old hard disk drive and use File Explorer to perhaps copy it to another computer or hard drive. The next video will show you how to destroy computer hard disk drive. Don't forget, if you're drilling, wear eye protection. Next, I'll deal with passing your old computer onto a family member or friend. You'll want this computer to be in good working order with lots of programs still on it. And now I'm going to cover some options of what you can do to preserve your privacy, but to give your friend or family member a decent computer. This could also apply to passing it on to a charity. How to change PC name and registered owner is covered in this video. If passing on to a friend, you could put their name on as the registered owner. And also how to change Windows login password. This could mean not having a password, so the new owner can put their own in, and I've shown in the video how to do that. Also, how to delete all browsing history in Google Chrome so the new owner doesn't see what web pages you might have been looking at, which maybe you shouldn't have been looking at. And how to delete all browsing history in Mozilla Firefox for the same reason. These videos show you how to do that. And how to remove saved passwords in Chrome and Firefox, because you don't want to let people see your private data by having access to your passwords. And how to uninstall programs. This could be because you want to save some disk space, or some of your programs might have come from a dubious source. Then, how to overwrite deleted data using CCleaner. Once you've deleted programs, you need to overwrite that disk space so it can't be recovered by someone else. And CCleaner is an excellent one. How to get data off corrupted hard disk drive. This was off a computer that wouldn't boot, but I was able to get the data off it before destroying the computer. How to overwrite deleted data using DOS is applicable if the computer doesn't function very well, or if you've got no programs on it. I will now deal with how to pass your computer onto a charity or for recycling. Again, you need to get all your private data off. You may wish to factory reset the PC to how it was when you bought it. That will ensure that all your data and programs are off, as long as you overwrite it with CCleaner or DOS, and also how to factory reset a Windows 7 computer. And as I said, don't forget to overwrite these deleted programs and deleted data. How to securely prepare your computer for disposal has taken me about a year and 100 hours to produce. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to see my future HX7V videos. Also, click below to view another useful video, how to clean and speed up computers with CCleaner. Bye for now.